Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer royalties from Amazon. To transfer royalties from Amazon KDP to your bank account, start by logging into your Amazon KDP account. Once logged in, navigate to the account section located at the top right corner of the dashboard. In the account settings, locate the payment option. Click on Payment to view your current payment information. Here, you will find the section for royalty payments. Check if you have set up your bank account details for receiving payments. If you haven't added a bank account, click on Add a new bank account. Enter your bank account information carefully, including your bank's name, account number, and the routing number. Make sure to select the correct currency for your transactions. After entering your bank details, click on Save to store the information securely. Next, verify that your tax information is up to date, as this is essential for receiving payments. Navigate to the Tax Information tab within your account settings. Complete any necessary tax forms if prompted, as Amazon requires this information for compliance. Once your bank and tax information are verified, return to the Payment section. Understand that Amazon KDP pays royalties approximately 60 days after the end of the month in which you earned them. Check the payment threshold to ensure you have reached the minimum payout amount. Once your royalties meet the threshold, Amazon will process the payment to your specified bank account. Keep an eye on the Reports section to monitor your sales and estimated royalties. After payment is processed, allow a few days for your bank to reflect the deposit. If you encounter any issues with the transfer, visit Amazon KDP's Help section for assistance. Your royalties should now be successfully transferred to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.